In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Confluence. Structure guide. Confluence doesn't use traditional folders like your computer does. Instead, it relies on a structured page hierarchy where parent pages act like folders and child pages live beneath them. This approach makes content easier to find, navigate, and maintain as your workspace grows. Start by opening the space where you want to build your structure. Take a look at the page tree in the left sidebar to understand what already exists. This view shows you the current hierarchy and helps you decide where your new folder should live. Create your parent page next. Click Create, give the page a clear, category-style title, and then Publish. Keep the content on this page brief. Think of it as a landing page. A short description or purpose statement at the top can help teammates know what belongs here and what doesn't. Now add child pages. With the parent page open, click Create again. Confluence automatically places the new page as a child of the one you're viewing. Repeat this to build out your sections. Use descriptive titles so navigation is obvious at a glance. If your team likes consistency, consider a simple naming convention, like adding a short prefix or number to indicate order. If you're new to Confluence, there's a link to the website at the top of the description so you can sign in and follow along as you build your hierarchy. Once you've added a few pages, organize the page tree. In the sidebar, drag and drop pages to reorder them or nest them under the correct parent. Collapsing and expanding sections helps you keep a clear view of what's inside each area. If dragging feels tricky, you can also move pages from the Pages More Actions menu to place them precisely where they belong. To enhance discovery, add labels to your pages. Labels make searching and filtering much faster, especially when content spans multiple folders. Use consistent labels across related pages so results are predictable. Categories can complement labels by grouping similar content, even when it lives in different parts of your space. Finally, review and maintain your structure on a regular basis. Archive or delete outdated pages so they don't clutter the tree, and keep titles up to date as content evolves. Let your team know when you make structural changes, so everyone understands where to create and find information. Don't forget to test your page structure with a few sample pages first to ensure everything is clear and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching.